let me show you how hashtags work for me. Down here, I have a list of hashtags, and some of these hashtags you're not going to find in my videos, but one of them I know not many people use. So let me kind of show you this one here is my local weatherman, Hutch. Hutch's Weather is one that I use in my list of hashtags. There's only 3 channels on his YouTube because he's fairly new in YouTube. And so I use his hashtag because we collaborate together, and he tells people about my channel and I tell people about his channel. So let me show you how this hashtag works, okay? And it's really cool how it works. So let's go over, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go over and look him up, okay? Let me get back to my own page here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to look him up on hashtags. So what we need to do is go to YouTube, and to look up a hashtag, you put in the hashtag and then you type in what the hashtag should be. There's Hutch's Weather right there. So we click on this, and to tell that it is a hashtag, you'll see the great big square with the hashtag on it, and it'll tell you how many videos are in that group and how many channels are in that group. Normally a smaller group is good because you can find yourself in that group if you use that hashtag, which I use Hutch's Weather. So click on it, and then here's all of the videos that are within this hashtag group, okay? Now, what I did was I came over here because I know that there's only 3 groups in here, so eventually I'm going to find some of my videos. And I only use this hashtag on one of my 15 live streams. So let's go see if I can find my live stream somewhere. And it shouldn't be too awful long because there's not an awful lot of videos in here. And here's the thing about using hashtags. The more people watch your videos, the more your videos will show up on the hashtag groups that you use. That's the neat thing about using hashtags. You're basically placing your videos into these groups. And the more that your videos get watched, the more that they show up on these groups. So here we go. Voila. There is my video right there, and it's live, and it shows up on this hashtag, on Hutch's Weather. So that's how hashtags work. I just, by using that hashtag, and the more the people watch my video, the more it'll show up on this hashtag, and it will also show up on these other hashtags that I use. Let me click edit video again. So if I go and look in these other groups, hashtag BNSF, hashtag Amtrak, hashtag Empire Builder, those are huge groups. See how hashtags work? There's just a real quick explanations on hashtags. Hey, thanks for listening. I appreciate you being around.